Hey guys, have you been looking to create a sales funnel that converts? Well, in this funnel builder tutorial, I'm going to actually go over two different kinds of funnels that you can use and their purposes of actually using them. And I'm going to let you know when to use them so you get the most results possible and it's effective, right? So you want to be able to retain leads, you want to be able to follow up with people, and you want to be able to use the right funnels depending on the kind of traffic that you're getting. And a lot of people are using the wrong kind of funnels and they don't even know what kind of funnels to use for with different source of traffic. So basically what you're looking at right now is you're looking at a hero page. Basically a hero page is a branded funnel that's branded to you, and it gives somebody information and it shows them how you actually got some kind of result, and they opt in by putting their name, email, or phone number into a page. And if you want to actually learn how I went from 0 to 100K online doing marketing, then you want to click on the link below this video. And I'm not saying that you can do it, or it all depends on your work ethic and your skill level and what you actually do. If you do no work, you will make no money, right? You have to actually put in the work, but I give you a solid plan below this video to actually do that. And we take you step by step. So if you opt into the page below this video that looks like this, you're going to actually see how I've been able to do it and the tools and the coaching that I've been able to use and leverage to be able to get these kind of results, right? So basically this kind of page is a hero page. It's made for social media, and you want to use this kind of page on social media. It gets you a lot higher quality leads on social media. So if you're doing Facebook and you have Facebook and you're creating YouTube videos, you want to use a page like this, right? If you're doing paid traffic with solo ads or some other source like that, you don't want to use a page like this, and you don't want to use company branded funnels. You don't want to use funnels with company names on there. You don't want to use funnels that have videos on the capture page. All that stuff will distract your prospect or whoever's coming to look for more information. It'll distract them from opting, and you want them to opt into your page. You want to collect the leads so that way you can follow up and do online marketing, right? And do email marketing and be able to build a relationship, right? So if they don't opt in, then they don't see anything, right? So pages with videos on them for the capture page you should avoid. Pages that have the company branded at the top, like Live Good and Save Club and those other ones, you need to avoid using those pages. I would create your own capture page around that to be able to get results in those kind of opportunities. Don't use those pages as your capture page, or you get very, very poor results. The opt-in rate is going to be like 20 to 30% opt-in rate. And you're going to get very poor results if you're using that as your capture page. You also want to retain your own leads and build your own list. So always remember, no matter what opportunity you're promoting, you always want to build your own list, and you need to create a sales funnel that converts. And I'm going to show you exactly how I've been able to build out a page like this for social media. So this page right here, it has some kind of proof and things like that. It has some credibility on it and things like that, and you can create a page like that inside of our funnel builder tool. Now this funnel builder tool is very, very easy to use. It's drag and drop. I can take anything in this block and just edit it by one click, and it's very, very simple to use. And you might say, well, I just moved that over, I'm not going to save this. And you might say, hey Gio, it's hard for me to design pages. How do I actually design pages? Well, you come down here and you click this and you add a page. We have professional templates that are designed for you to use, so you don't have to do them yourself, and it's designed by a professional designer that I work with personally, and you could actually have access to these templates for your business. And these aren't a generic page. These are actually custom pages that people pay hundreds of dollars for inside of other platforms, right? And they're not even like this. They're all a generic page. If you're inside of another funnel builder, the funnel builder tool that I use, this funnel builder tool right here, it's only it's only $25 per month, right? So this funnel builder tool is $25 per month, and we pay you $20 per month in residual income. So anybody who uses this tool right here to build their business, they could build a sales funnel, they could build a membership site, they could build their own products. So if you have giveaways, if you want to have your own products, you can actually create a membership site. You could do all that stuff. And here's an example of like a membership site, and here's a platform that we use. And with that $25 per month, you actually get coaching on how to actually build out pages and things like that. So you actually get help and support. And we show you how to do different things like how to buy your domain and how to get it custom, how to have a business email and domain, how to integrate it with your funnel builder tool, because it's very important to integrate your domain with your funnel builder tool, how to set up the DMARC, SPF, and DKIM, which is important if you want a high deliverability. You want to be able to make sure your emails are in the inbox and not in the spam. We show you how to create your own pages, optimize for mobile. We show you how to share your create multiple funnels, how to share your funnels. We show you how to create different things on your pages. We show you how to track every lead within the builder. We show you how to create a membership site. So here's membership sites. Here's upsells and downsells. Here's if you're creating your own products. You learn all this stuff for only $25 per month, and it's really, really amazing. And with that $25 per month, we show you different strategies of how to get traffic. So you're gonna get 2 weeks free of traffic and conversion. So when you get this funnel builder tool for only $25 per month, you're gonna get 2 weeks free of coaching. And this is daily hands-on coaching live by Zoom, Monday through Friday, live by Zoom. So we get on Zoom, we show you how to actually do marketing hands-on. So we show you how to write emails that serve and sell. We show you how to create videos. We show you how to rank those videos. And it's very, very important to learn these skills. And if you have any questions, you can always ask your questions at the end of the Zooms, right? So you have support every single day like no other opportunity out there. We're the only one that does it and that does hands-on coaching like this every single day. And we show you different things like how to launch your business, how to invite people, how to get leads with Facebook, how to follow up with your leads, how to do short form video, how to do YouTube ranking, how to do easy button YouTube strategy, which is more people to your YouTube channel and your videos, how to do ads on Facebook for free, how to do podcasting, how to do LinkedIn and get leads, how to do Facebook Lives the right way, how to blog, and how to do a launch, right? So here's for a launch if you're launching your own products, right? So we show you this stuff, and then we show you page strategies as well. Here's for a local business if you're doing local lead gen. And here's for solo ads, text message marketing, YouTube automation. So if you want to do a YouTube automation channel, Facebook ads, Facebook video ads. So each one of these things could be a course, and you could actually pay $500 a piece for each one of those, right? This is all in a membership site that you get, and you get it for free whenever you sign up for the funnel builder tool. You check the box and you get 2 weeks free, and this actually pays you. So between the funnel builder tool and the funnel builder tool pays you $20 per month for the $25, and then the coaching, it's daily hands-on coaching live by Zoom, and it pays you $100 per month from the $125. So basically it's $125 per month after 2 weeks, and you earn $100 commission. So basically you're earning $120 per month per signup, which is very, very powerful. So with only 2 signups, you're $90 in profit. And basically from there, if you want to make a residual income of, let's say, $3,000 per month, it's very, very powerful because you only need 25 signups. And if you have all the products, it's even less than that. So this is a goal setting app that you can use and everything to set your goals, to be able to do your affirmations, to be able to have a daily routine. That's your goal setting app right there. And it helps you to stay on track, right? So I use it in my daily routine so I could get more done and be more effective in business. And this is only $10 per month, and you get $8 per month in residual income for anybody who buys it. So basically, if you have all these products right here, you're earning $128 per month per signup, and 2 signups is $96 per month in profit. So we pay you to learn marketing. We pay you to build your pages. We pay you for all that stuff, right? And we show you how to get traffic right here. So this is really all you need to build any kind of business. This is the most support that you'll get in anything that you ever do. And on Friday, we have Funnel Builder Friday. So if you want to learn how to build out your own pages, and let's say you're getting stuck building pages, and you could come on Funnel Builder Fridays and you could actually learn how to build pages hands-on. Like, it's a hands-on kind of thing. If you're more hands-on like I am, then you're going to want to show up to the hands-on live coaching, right? And if you want to get high quality paid traffic, then you could come over here to profitbuilderstraffic.com. Now, when you come over here to profitbuilderstraffic.com, this is for solo ad traffic. I suggest that you use Facebook, YouTube, and email. You don't have to use solo ads, but if you choose to, I would get traffic from me, because I help you to actually get the highest conversions possible. I help you to get highly targeted traffic to your offers. I make sure that your sales page and sales copy, your capture page and sales copy are congruent to your offer. I make sure that the traffic sources that you're getting traffic from are very, very high quality, because when you get traffic from me, you make sure that it's high quality traffic, right? So where I get traffic from is a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So you get a mix of different traffic when you order traffic from me, and I will set you up with your highest converting funnels and help you to manage your offers, right? And I help my clients get up to 85% opt-in rate. So if you want to get a high opt-in rate with sales, then you're going to want to order a traffic package from me by clicking on the link below this video. When you click on the link below this video, it's going to take you to the store, and you could order a traffic package from me. When you order a traffic package from me, you could set up a strategy call where I help you and I go through all this stuff. So I help you get the highest converting opt-in rate with sales. I help you to understand how to track your leads and conversion rate. I help you to know how to build a list of highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer. And how this works is in 3 simple steps. Step 1 is you select a traffic package below. Step 2 is we do a campaign review and a strategy call. So I go over your funnel, I help you, and I give you a strategy on how to get results every single day. And then we launch your campaign within 3 days after the strategy call, right? So if you pretty much, if you book a strategy call with me, you're going to actually get a lot of very valuable information, and it's actually more valuable than the traffic package itself, right? So here's some of the results that I've got for people: 200 clicks and 3 sales, 90% opt-in rate. And there's plenty of other testimonials right here, so take a look at this for yourself. Here's 90% tier 1, here's 100% tier 1, so pick the one that works best for you. And then here's some of the questions that people ask. So look down here if you have questions. Here's my guarantee to you. I guarantee you 100% real traffic, no bots, no fake clicks, 100% real people who really want what you have to offer. So that's my guarantee to you. And if you have any questions, you can leave your questions down here on this page. You can also leave them under this video. So if you have questions, make sure you leave them under the video. You can also get to my free Facebook group. There's going to be a link below this video as well. And you can get to that Facebook group where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. And if you have any questions as well, you can also reach out to me on Facebook. I use Facebook, so you're going to want to reach out to me if you have questions. On Facebook Verified, you can leave them on here. You can leave them under the video. Whatever works for you. You could also text me. There's going to be a number below this video as well. You can do whatever works best for you, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. All right, I'll talk to you soon, and bye for now.